Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new 2022 Toyota LP powered pneumatic forklift, model number 8FGU25. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested, do not wait to call. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds and it runs on LP. You'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt level button. And while we're on this side, I'll show you that it has this paper clip as well as this cup holder. Coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this will come with 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. And looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Up here on the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Now coming inside the cab, we have lots more great features, including these dual rear view mirrors. We also have this steering wheel knob, as well as an adjustable steering column, a super comfortable seat that is adjustable in all sorts of ways, and is a full suspension seat. And you can see here that it has that orange high visibility safety belt as well. On that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb at all times, even when they're backing up. Now back on the back, we have all sorts of lights, starting with that key on blue safety spotlight in the back, as well as our yellow strobe. And we have those combination lights that have your brakes, as well as your turn signals, and your reverse light, and you'll hear the backup alarm. Now that backup alarm is a smart backup alarm that adjusts to the ambient noise level in your environment. Now if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.